Hey, if you cannot connect your DualSense controller into the PS5 Slim, first of all try to press once on the PlayStation button and take a look if this indicator turns on. If it doesn't turn on, it means that your controller is fully discharged, and you have to charge it by using this USB-C port and the back. Then plug right here this USB-C cable, and the second end of the cable you can plug into your PS5 Slim, into your controller, and when you do this, you will actually find that it blinks on the orange and it will start charging. In my case, as you can see, I can find this device on the list, but still I cannot use it. So now, when it's actually shown on the register accessories, click on the PlayStation button, take a look if it turns on, and as you can see, in my case, I'm connected. But if you still have issue, let me show you how to do this one more time. You can enter for the pairing mode. So how to do this? You just have to click on this PlayStation button and the action button together and wait until this gamepad starts blinking like this. Try to repeat. If it doesn't work, click once on the PlayStation button. As you can see right now, it is blinking, but I still cannot use my controller, right? So there's something wrong with it. So I have to unplug this cable. Then from here, plug it back. And now try to repeat. Click and hold. And as you can see right now, I'm connected back. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.